Hey everyone, it's Casey. I just wanted to give you all a quick update on how things are going with me and the corporate credit process specifically. But Jack's work in general, it's going great. I went ahead and applied for the first corporate credit card for the trust, and I was approved. And I have that card right here to show you guys. It's a Capital One Spark Business Cash card. You can see it's got my name on it as well as the trust's name. This one they approved me for a $30,000 limit, which is fantastic. That's the highest line of credit in existence that I'm aware of for any ecclesiastical trust. I logged into my Capital One app online, took a picture of that screenshot so that y'all could see the $30,000 limit. Then I went back online after I got that one, and I applied for another corporate credit card. It's another Capital One Spark Business card, but this is the Cash Select card. I was also approved for that one, happy to say. I have that right here. It looks just like the other one, but they are different cards with different account numbers, different credit limits, etc. I got $30,000 on the first one, $15,000 on the second one. And then I went back, after I was approved for this one and got it, I went back to Capital One's website. I applied for a third card. This time I chose one of their Miles cards, the Capital One Spark Business Miles Select card. And happy to say that I was actually instantly approved for that one online. Took a screenshot of that to show you. Basically, it just says, congratulations, you've been approved. I don't physically hold that card yet. I was just approved for that yesterday or the day before, and they said they'd be mailing that out to me in the next 7 to 10 business days. But that one also has a $15,000 limit. So collectively, on the 3 cards I have for the trust, I will have $60,000 in open lines of credit, which is fantastic. And then once those cards are used properly for 3 consecutive months, then what will happen is a credit profile and a Paydex score will be created for the trust. So then it will have basically a credit profile and a credit score. And that's kind of where I'm at in the process. It's been really easy, really quick. I started the whole process approximately 2 months ago from the very first time I went online and started picking which cards I wanted to apply for and filled out that first application. Everything's gone real smooth. It'll tell you online that they're going to send you something in the mail letting you know whether you were approved or not, and then you'll get something that looks like this in the mail. And that basically is just saying, great news, you've been approved, and keep an eye on the mail. You're going to be getting another letter from us, which is going to include a welcome kit and your card. Then, about a week later, you get that in the mail, which is, the welcome kit, the card. It'll tell you, your credit limit and all those other things. I did, after I got these two, I did go online and I applied for a Chase Business Inc. Unlimited card. And I wanted to show you guys this. This was the letter that I got from Chase, which is actually a denial letter. And you can see right here it says basically too many credit cards opened in the last 2 years associated with you. And so, I just wanted to show that there are hiccups in the road, or what some might consider failures from time to time, but it's a really minor setback. I got this letter, moved on to the next, went and applied for that third Capital One business card, and was instantly approved for that one. So, not a big deal. But I just wanted to show that so that you all know that it's sometimes you do get denied. I just want you to not get discouraged and move on to the next. There's plenty of credit cards, plenty of banks, plenty of financial institutions out there that will approve you if you do this process properly. So that's where I'm at right now. I'll go ahead and give you guys another update soon. probably once the credit profile is created and there's an actual credit score or Paydex score for the trust. Until then, may God bless your success, and if you're having any doubts, I'm here to let you know that this process works. It's the real deal. Jack McCaig has been a blessing. That's an understatement, but he's been a blessing to me. He's done nothing but help me. I just do what he says, and everything goes great. You know, he's never steered me in the wrong direction. He's never told me the wrong information. I've never experienced any negative from following his directions. So those packages that they have up there on Liberty Aid, as well as the new website, Jack McCaig, they're legit. I'm living proof right here. I got my credit cards for the trust. I got my personal credit score, which is banging. Everything is good. So feel free to hit me up on Facebook. You can add me. You can message me if you have specific questions. But until next time, I hope everyone is well, and go out there and get that corporate credit.